Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to tell you 12 benefits of apples in today's videos. We hope you will watch our complete videos and benefit. Let's now move on to videos without wasting your valuable time. 1. Boosts immune system. Vitamin C in apples enhances the immune system's function, aiding in the body's defense against infections. 2. Digestive health. The combination of soluble and insoluble fiber in apples promotes healthy digestion and provides relief from constipation. 3. Heart health. Regular consumption of apples is linked to improved heart health, as it helps in maintaining cholesterol levels and regulating blood pressure. 4. Weight management. With low-calorie content, apples serve as a satisfying and healthy snack, supporting weight management efforts. 5. Antioxidant. Protection. Apples are rich in antioxidants, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, which protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 6. Blood sugar control. The soluble fiber in apples aids in managing blood sugar levels, making them a suitable option for individuals with diabetes. 7. Hydration. High water content in apples contributes to overall hydration, promoting optimal bodily functions. 8. Dental health. The natural crunchiness of apples stimulates saliva production, helping in reducing the risk of tooth decay and promoting dental health. 9. Vision health. Vitamin A content supports vision health, contributing to maintaining good eyesight. 10. Skin health. Vitamin C and antioxidants in apples play a role in maintaining healthy skin by combating free radicals and preventing premature aging. 11. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of apples may be associated with a lower risk of certain types of cancers due to their antioxidant properties. 12. Bone health. Apples contain essential minerals like calcium and potassium, which contribute to maintaining strong and healthy bones. Incorporating apples into your diet can provide a range of health benefits, making them a valuable addition to a balanced and nutritious eating plan.